In this tutorial, we'll learn all about inventory. So let us start with the basic things. First, we will enable inventory in this. Okay. So for that, what you have to do, press F11. Okay. Enter. Here, integrate accounts and inventory. Make that as yes. Okay. In case it was already yes, no problem. Otherwise, if it is no, just make that as yes. Okay. Press enter and control is save. Okay. Now what you have to do, you have to make a go down. So we will learn the concept of go down now. And before we learn to create go downs, let us understand what are go downs. So suppose in inventory, when you have to buy items, you would obviously store it somewhere. Now go downs are those places where you will store your inventory. Go down could be anything. It could be a room, it could be a warehouse, it could also be, suppose someone's pocket. Now if you are dealing in diamonds, you would store those diamonds in probably in pocket. So that is also some sort of a go down. Okay, but yes, it has to be a regular and a known one. So that is the concept of go down. Let us see how we can create go downs in Tally. So to create go downs, press F11. Okay, then press enter, then press F2 to come to inventory. Now when you come to inventory, you will see it is written maintain multiple go downs. Just make this as yes. Okay, and if you want, you can also make this as yes. This is only for sales invoices, though not relevant for inventory, but this should be kept as yes. Okay, maintain stock categories, maintain batch wise. So this we will enable as and when required. We press Ctrl A and save this. Okay, press escape and come back. Now let's see what has been created. So what we will do, we will press display statements of inventory this time. Okay, inventory, and we see that a new line called go downs is created. Just click enter and it shows by default. This we have not created. By default it is there in Tally, which is main location. Okay, now main location will have everything until and unless you put specific items in some go downs. So by default all these are in the main location. Now in my retail shop only, I have two rooms. One is room 1 and one is room 2. So in room 1 we will put all the accessories and in room 2 we will put the mobile phones. Okay, so let's make that entry now. Yeah, so first let us create the go downs. Come here, press escape. Okay, and I need to create my go downs. So what I will do, come to inventory, I will come to go downs and I will click on create. Okay, so as I said, one would be room 1, which is accessories. Press enter, it will be under main location, and then I will create room 2, which is mobiles. Okay, it will also be under main location. It's done. Now that we have created the go downs, let us just see if the go downs have been created. So we will go to display statements of inventory by pressing E and G for go downs. Okay, so yes, it is showing here, but this is blank because we have not transferred anything to this go down. Now what we will do, we will transfer our items from the main location go down into accessories go down, which is room 1, and actual room 2, which is mobile phone go down. Okay, so come back, and now we will also learn the concept of stock journal. So let's see what is that. Okay, so now let us go and go to a stock journal. How do we go to a stock journal? Like any transactions, we will go to accounting vouchers, or we here, because we also have inventory vouchers, you can straight away click on inventory vouchers. But still I will teach you. Suppose you are at accounting vouchers, how can you navigate from accounting vouchers to the stock journal? Stock journal are journals for transferring goods and to have any transaction which is to do primarily with inventory only. So we are suppose at accounting vouchers. Here what we will do, we will press Alt F7. Alt F7. Okay, and there you see you are in a stock journal, which is an inventory voucher creation. Okay, so now what we had to do, the task that we had at hand was we had to transfer the mobile phones from main location into our mobile room go down. Okay, so what I will do, first I will select all my mobile phones, suppose this. Okay, then I will again press space bar. Whenever you want a list to pop up, just press space bar. So here if you see, main location is showing two pieces, so I will select the go down. This is the go down. Here you see the go down is written, so I will select go down. And again, how many pieces were there? There were two pieces, so I will write PCS. Okay, I'm not bothered about rate and all, so I will simply press delete here. Okay, I will tell you later how we can use rate, etc. also. Just press enter and press space bar. We will again press space bar, select main location. There was one piece here. Okay, delete or space bar, whatever. Then we have charger, we will not put in this, so we will ignore this. Then we will have Samsung Note 64GB. Press spacebar, main location, three pieces are there. I will write 3, enter, spacebar, enter, enter, enter. Similarly, we will write the same things here. iPhone 128GB, and now location would be this one, room 2, because it is a mobile and we are transferring it to mobiles. This we are doing because we have just created the go downs. Quantity would be 2, spacebar, spacebar. Okay, it is two pieces. Okay, so here remember we had written two pieces, but it is taking two boxes, so I will write pieces. And if you remember, in the first class we had learned that one box had 10 mobiles, so now it is okay. Then we will come to Nokia 64GB, and there was this room 1, no sorry, room 2. Okay, and the piece is one piece, enter, enter. Then we take Samsung Note, then we take room 2, then we take three pieces, spacebar. Okay, so I hope you are understanding what we are doing. We are transferring these items from this go down into this go down. Okay, enter, 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 and save. So now our goods have been transferred from main location to room 2. Let us check whether it is reflecting. How can we check? We press escape, 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 come to gateway of tally, and now we come to stock summary. And let us see if we are able to see the transfers that we just made. So come here and press enter. Okay. So press Alt F1. Now here what it shows that mobile chargers, mobile phones, and since we didn't specify any rate value, so the default rates and values are not showing. Okay. Okay, so we can clearly see the items that we have. Escape, come back, come to gateway of tally, press display, E for statements of inventory, go downs. Now let us select mobiles. That is what we had transferred our phones to this go down. So when you select, you see there are 6 pieces of mobiles. Press Alt F1 to expand, and you see 2 pieces, 1 piece, and 3 pieces, etc. Okay, so this is showing correctly. Now we still have another item which is chargers, and they are still at the main location. So let us now transfer it to the room 1 go down. So we come back to gateway of tally, and I will show you another method to make such transfers where we will have a little less entries. Okay, so you come to gateway of tally, and like we had done earlier, we will go to voucher types. So press A, V, then A again, and type stock journal. Once you press stock journal, come to name of class. Okay, you can give any name. I will give intra go down transfer. Press enter. Here you will see this option, use class for inter go down transfers. Because it is within our company, that is why I have read intra. Okay, press Y, and it is done. Once this is done, press escape, and again like we did earlier, press V for accounting vouchers, then press Alt F7. When you press Alt 7, you are given a new option of this class that we created. Just select it, press enter. Now my destination go down is, say, accessories. So I will simply select this. Name of the item is Samsung charger. Obviously it is in main location here. Quantity 3, and let the rate be the same. So if you see, the advantage is I didn't have to type it again. So on the left side and on the right side, here I am just typing these items once. Okay, so this is an advantage. So I will simply press enter and I will save it. So you have learnt both the ways of transferring items from go downs, whether it is intra company or inter company, it is the same thing. Okay, now let us make it a little more complicated. Now we have two rooms in my retail shop. Of the one room, in say room 1, I have another white cupboard. Okay. Now I want to make that white cupboard inside my room 2, which has my mobiles, as another go down. It will be a sub go down where I will keep my expensive mobiles. Okay. So let us see how we can do that. So let us create one more go down. Okay. Come here. Inventory. Go down. Create. I will write mobile room 2 white cupboard. This will be under. Now you should pause your video and you should be able to tell me what will be the under list of go downs. Okay, I hope you paused your video. Now let's see. The answer is this. I will put it under room 2 mobiles. Why? Because this is a mobile and I have also given in the name it is room 2 and it's a white cupboard. So I press enter and I save it. So it is a sub go down being created under this go down, which is in fact under main location. Yeah. If you want to check, just press escape and see under which go down is this go down made. So press control. Yes, it is under main location. Okay. So that is correct. Press escape, come back, and here press enter, save. So it's done. Now let us make a transfer from room 2 mobiles into the white cupboard. So same like we did earlier, press V, Alt F7. We will use intra go down, it is a little easier. Destination is this. Then let's say I want to transfer the expensive ones. This one, press spacebar. This quantity 3. Let me give the rate also this time. Okay, then I will select this and this would be this and 2 pieces. Okay, no, 2 pieces I should write. Okay, so it will be 2 PCS. Yeah, so Tally gave us a warning that I was entering 2 boxes, so I wrote 2 pieces. So let it be 1 lakh. Okay, and this will be, yeah, this is correct now. Okay, so 2 pieces, 1 lakh per piece, 2 lakhs. Press enter and save it. Now let's see. We come to gateway of Tally. We will click. Sorry, we will type DEG and let's see everything. So if I take main location, press Alt F1. So it shows that your first go down is room 1 accessories. Okay, this is the go down summary which has mobile chargers. You have room 2 mobiles, which has mobile, room 2 white cupboard as a sub go down of this go down. Okay, this is a sub go down of room 2 mobiles and this has mobile phones. Okay, this has 5 pieces. Press shift enter and you will see that this has mobile phones. The mobile phone is the group. So again press shift enter and you will get the details. Please shift enter, you will get the details. So it clearly shows that mobile to room 2 white cupboard has these two phones and room 2 mobile has these 2 phones. Okay, yeah, this is the major go down. So I just wanted to explain how you can play with it. Okay,